We're dealing with a February thaw right now. It's regulating the temperatures, the snow's melting, and it's a great time to continue with our cool season flowers. We have some phlox we're going to continue with. Sticking with the no pot up February, we filled up 6-packs here with all-purpose potting mix. We're going to let this soak in some hot water. It's just easier for the mix to absorb. And we'll let it cool down before we plant our seeds. We're trying something new this year. We're gonna use all-purpose mix for half the 6-packs and seed starting mix for the top part. Then that way the seeds will have an easier time growing down into the seed starting mix, and then we won't have to pot up because we already have the all-purpose mix halfway down, which will save us time when everything else needs to be potted up. Now we'll let this soak. We're going to press these in using the same kind of tray. We have moistened seed starting mix that we're going to take a little bit, sprinkle it on. Now we have the moistened mix on there. We'll press that in to give good seed contact and the area for the seeds to lay on. And now we'll be ready to get our seeds going. Here's what the phlox seeds look like. We don't have too many of them, so we're just going to use them up. We'll go with 1 per. Maybe you'll have enough for this 48 cell. Alright, we had enough for 1 for each cell. Phlox seed likes to be covered. Since they like to be covered, we'll put some vermiculite on top of this. And they like total darkness, so we'll put this in a dark room for a day or two to allow germination to happen. And then we'll move it to bright light. And we'll mist them in gently. Then we'll check back on these. Subscribe and good things will come your way.